If you've got a loose plug that goes into a receptacle like I do here, it can be a safety hazard as it is making a power connection briefly, but it just falls out or doesn't stay in there tight. I'm going to show you 3 ways how you could potentially fix this. The easiest way to fix this problem is this product right here, or a similar type of snug plug product. And the way that these work is I bought a pack of 10. You just pull one out and it's clear. I'm going to put this in the receptacle plug that I'm having problems with and just push that in. That is non-conductive, and then insert the plug. Now you can see the plug sits flat against the receptacle and it's not falling out. Now I'm going to try it with a heavier type plug like this Nikon battery charger. I'm going to push it all the way in there, and you can see that we are charging. And it's in there pretty snug. While this may fix your loose connection problem, I really wouldn't recommend it for home use, even though they do have great reviews. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in this product. Something I can see these being very useful for are airport receptacles that are used all the time, and you know, they got a lot of wear and tear on them. And these pull out pretty easy, so I'm just gonna remove this. And another way, the fastest way, which I definitely don't recommend, is sometimes you can push the prongs closer together, and that may work for an emergency situation where you need to charge something. As you can see, we are now charging, but definitely not the best fix for a loose plug. The best fix is actually to just replace the receptacle.
To do this, first thing I need to do is remove the power from the receptacle at the breaker panel. Remove the outlet cover. This one's just held in by one flathead screw. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws securing the receptacle to the outlet box. With the receptacle out of the box, I'm just double checking that there is no power by testing from gold to silver and then gold to ground. Hot to silver, hot to ground. Remove the 5 combination screws securing the conductors to the receptacle using my #1 ECX Klein screwdriver. Since I have well over 3 inches of conductor from the front of the outlet box, I'm going to make some new cuts and J-hooks for the new receptacle. Hook the hot wire J-hooks to the gold terminals in the same direction the screw tightens for a secure connection. The conductor should sit tight underneath the screw head all the way around. Connect the neutral conductors to the silver screws on the receptacle. I have 2 sets of wires for the hot and neutral here, one providing power while the others continue the circuit to another receptacle. Hook up the ground wire, or in this case the bare wire, to the green screw on the receptacle. Making an S-type bend in the wires as shown here will make it a little bit easier to push the receptacle back in the outlet box. Keep in mind there is a bare wire in here, and I need to keep that on the left side away from the hot wire because I don't want that touching and arcing out. Ultimately, you could wrap some electrical tape around the hot screw conductors just to prevent any mishaps from happening. Secure the receptacle to the outlet box by tightening down on the 2 Phillips head screws while making sure that it goes in nice and evenly. Attach the receptacle cover. Test out your new receptacle by using an outlet tester and turning the breaker back on.
Now, our plug sits flat against the receptacle. No more loose plug on this receptacle. Everything's sitting nice and flat, not falling out anymore. That's 3 ways you can make a plug and a receptacle snug again. Third way is the way that I usually do it and the one that I recommend. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dave, and this fix is done.